Hello and welcome to another update video about Matic. Let's take a look at the Matic structure here on the smaller time frame. We talked about this ongoing correction now. We have been talking about this for a while now. It's really painful to observe really as the market is really just moving sideways here. So this is a consolidation pattern still. Looks a bit like a bear flag, to be honest. Looks a bit like an ascending wedge pattern here maybe. But that doesn't automatically mean it has to break to the downside. Because these patterns in crypto, often enough, they actually break to the upside. So yeah, I mean, you could say typically they break to the downside, but it's just not a given. But we have a bit of a trend line there that we can observe. More important, I think, is to understand what the relevant support levels are as well as invalidation points. Because in this movement, okay, the correction could obviously be over. We have come down deep enough in this corrective, into this support area. Main support level is at 58.2 cents. Below that, we can still call it a so-called wave 2 correction, but it will already, it will challenge more and more the overall bullish thesis on this chart. It will challenge it more and more. Because a sustained break below the 78.6 fib level, as you probably know, typically leads to invalidation, but invalidation point is not reached until we get below 49 cents pretty much here, 49.3 cents. That's the invalidation point. That is the September low of last year. So if we break below that level, that will be the formal invalidation. Until then, yeah, we can accept one more low as part of this overall bullish scenario. Now looking at the short term, it's important for this white scenario not to break below the wave 2 low at 62 cents. So that's important. The white count is the one that allows for a low to be in already. Corrective price action actually suggests we get another low, but as long as this low is holding, we can also track the upside, which would be not an impulse but a diagonal pattern in which this was an A wave. This here is a B wave pullback, and if we now find our running shoes, then a C wave rally could happen and complete the third wave there to the upside, which should reach, as per previous updates, 86.2 cents. Then we have a wave 4 pullback and a wave 5 rally that could reach 91 cents. Important to understand what the main support area is for the B wave pullback. Again, we can debate whether the top was in here or here of the A wave. I'd rather leave it there. And then we have a support area that's just like a micro support area really, that tells us where this market has a chance to find support in this B wave. And that's between 64.7 cents and 68.2. I could add the 38.2 retracement level there as well. It doesn't make a difference. I just want to show where the market should find support and actually shouldn't break below the 64.7 cent level, because if it does, then it already shifts probabilities towards that yellow scenario that allows for one more low somewhere around 58 cents, maybe a little bit lower. So pay attention to this micro support area. As long as we're holding above it, the white count has a chance. Yeah, that's just a quick update about Matic. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.